Aloha there, people, and I haven't gone on a Hawaiian vacation ever in my life, but I may at one later point in my life. And that's irrelevant for this tutorial. Welcome to your Linux tutorial, and today we are going to talk about the mkdir command. Mkdir, short for mkdir command, is used to create a directory. I think we used it in one of the later tutorials, and now we are just going to cover the command. So if I wanted to create a new directory, I would just type in mkdir, and I would name it whatever I want to name it, press enter, and when I type in ls, I actually have the new directory present. Okay, so mkdir, short for make directory, and you supply it the new directory name as an argument, and then you create that new directory. Okay, pretty straightforward. That's it for today, and talk to you soon.